Hello everyone. In this video we get to install adapter cards. So first what we want to do is take a look at our case. And we need to take a look at what adapter slots we have. Inside of my case we can take a look at the motherboard and a closer up. We have a PCI Express 16. Then we have 3 PCI Express 1s. So what we want to do is be able to pick out adapter cards that are going to be compatible with these PCI Express slots. Also, if you're wondering what this is a mini PCI Express. Think of wireless cards that you'd be able to install in a desktop tower. So let's get started. Step 1. We're going to need to find an empty slot, which we have right here. So what we need to do is take off the corresponding cover that covers that slot. To remove this cover, which is covering the slot, I have to lift up my tower and we'll take a look at what I need to do on the outside. This screw here is holding on to those adapter card slot covers. It keeps them in place. So I can go ahead and I can unscrew that with my special torque screwdriver. With that screw out, we can actually take this cover. It just lifts off, and that exposes all the adapter card slot covers. At this time, I can actually take out this cover, and it just lifts off. I can remove it from the computer case. Now the adapter slot cover is exposed, and we're able to zoom back in and continue on. With that slot cover exposed, we can now install a PCI Express 16 card. I happen to have a PCI Express graphics card. It's a PCI Express 16, which we have here, which is the physical compatibility that matches that slot. Step 2, I'm going to align the video card into the appropriate slot in the motherboard, which will be right there. For step 3, we need to press down gently on this card to install it into place. Step 4, we need to reinstall that slot cover. I will put my slot cover back on. And we will take our screw on our screwdriver and we'll screw it back into place. Thank you for watching. Our adapter card is now installed.